I think it's a Gunduro figure because it's very tall and black.
Hello everyone, good evening to the listener. Welcome to the Midnight Tales podcast, a podcast that contains scary stories. First, introduce me, Timeng. Here I will be the host and I will also have my colleagues accompanying me. Shipa, say hello.
Hi everyone! Next 10 minutes, here we will listen to horror stories from one of our sources. And this time we have a friend of ours who is said to have had a scary experience at school. Welcome Jihad!
Thank you, Timeng and Cipa. Happy to invited by podcast Midnight Tales.
So, Jihad, can you tell me about the horror experience that you think is the scariest you have ever experienced?
Of course, so when I was in high school, I often came home late nights because of extracurricular activities. I always walked when I went to and from school because the school was not too far from my house, and to get to school, I always had to cross the road 500 meters away. Surrounding it is very wide expanse of rice fields, and at the time I always went home together with my friends because I happened to take part in the same extracurricular activities. And also where I lived close to him was 1 LI away. One night when I was walking home with him, I felt someone was following us, and not long after someone called us, we were shocked. We both looked at each other because we were afraid and we felt uncomfortable and start walking faster. However, it seemed like there was footsteps following us both from behind, and they were getting closer and faster.
Wow, that must be really scary.
What happened next?
When I and my friend turned around to see who was following me, I didn't see anyone. However, I still feel that someone is following me, and we started running, and when I reached home, I felt very relieved. And the next day, I came home late night because I was still taking part in extracurricular activities, but the day I just went home alone and not with my friend because my friend at the time was sick and couldn't come to school. When I passed the road that I usually pass, it was a very wide expanse of rice fields that only had two lights. In the middle of the journey, I felt more afraid than usual because I was alone and not alone after someone called me again, but I didn't pay attention to it. But as time went on, the voice got louder and I was curious. I looked back and I was very surprised because it was about 100 meters away from me.
It was really scary experience. Do you know what figure you saw?
No, I don't know that. However, I think it's a Gunduro figure because it's very tall and black.
Wow, it turns out it was a really scary experience. Maybe if I had felt that, I might have fainted.
Yes, especially with me, it was quite an experience that gave me goosebumps. It might make no longer want to come home late at night.
Okay, that's all the story from Jihad. And for Jihad, thank you for sharing your experience with us tonight on this podcast.
Yes, thank you very much, Jihad. That was really an interesting experience to hear.
And that concludes another episode of Midnight Tales. Thank you, dear listeners, for joining us on this scary story. Until next time, stay curious, stay careful, and may your nightmare pass quickly. Bye bye.